go and take protection, because you not go mistake carry belle for who you're not supposed to born for. Or you know, say that man is not what to be a father, what not to be a father. Or not even supposed to be man when you were born for. You were born for such man. The problem will come. And anything when you sow, you they definitely they reap, and it will only take a short time. Now, where's?
Let's see one day for all these things for you do. Because of document. Now, me, I can give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get. Money bank, you not get for Africa. If you house, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you day? Not be 47. You are complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government.
47 years old man. My lady, I really don't Evans, Monday Evans, whatever. 47 years old man fit dupe you like this, as in fit deal with you like this. That means that guy is smart. As I always they talk on. The government cannot take your child without no reason. There must be a reason. Reason they do where government they take person picking. You were not smart enough. You were not smart enough. If I say make I talk, you are the cause of your problem. I'm sorry to say that. I know some people go say, hey, Bonnie, you too they beat. I know what beats you. People know me as I tell they beat people, but I go advise you harshly. Ashley. Now I'll talk to you. I will not be nice talking. But I know beat you, but I will not be nice talking to you. 47 years old man oversmarts you. The man, how many years for you? 29 years. And you just, I don't just know. You see the red flag. Please, I might not be seeing comments, but Mommy, Ezra, you are welcome. You don't understand, so 47 years old man, do you this kind of thing? And she was able to give proof to the government for the child to be gone. And where were you? Why you did not see the red flag coming? It is a pity. It is a pity. May I check my WhatsApp? I didn't see anything. Send me, please. I didn't see anything.
Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself.
Thank God.
You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital because they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, me this baby for they safe with me. May they carry me and the baby go for you. They no say me get house. Me can't say no. Me not.
She use her mouth talk and say now she make the mistake. Thank God say she used her mouth talker. Now she made the mistake. Even when the baby father follow her make trouble for hospital because say he not put the baby father name for the name of the pikin. The man already make her use her cause trouble. As in use her to behave like somebody when he not normal. She refused to also see that red flag. Chai. When I am a bit harsh, pardon me. When it be said a little bit harsh, pardon me. You understand? Because there is no way I will be nice saying this. There is no way I will be nice saying this. You have said it already. Mommy, I did not see anything. I didn't. So the man not get documents since 29 in Europe. They listen. The man was having documents. Even get pass. They listen to the story. You go understand. He made trouble with her for hospital. And she refused to see the red flag. You see Anna? She not do anything. They can't tell her, say, regardez là-bas.
Okay, the cost is I say me day way for France. Maybe I'm gonna say as I day when I make me say me no want for you. Okay, the cost is big me. Okay, they want go rent one room a parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. See, I don't agree because I don't already get my whole house. When me day, I day way. They can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. When you want condition. You know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby.
Okay.
They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect her from my hand for hospital. This was say hospital. They don't be that kind of bad people. They don't see anything, say I do anything bad. Where he go make the collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This one I don't give them.
She said when the issue happen, they can't tell her and say, the man want me they collect your baby. So make we give you place for foyer. Not so now they talk. If I not pronounce one word, don't be angry, please. May they give her a place for foyer. He say no. May they give her apartment, a special place where he say no. You see what I am telling people? You see that your no way you always they do for government. They are always writing it down, and it can be used against you in the court of law. When I tell now say, sometimes, always, most time, please accept the offer which the government they give you, especially when somebody don't they drag picky with you. Some people don't want to listen. They tell her, because they will see the way they take care of that picky, and the man wants that child to be gone. Ma will give you foyer. He say he die. Oh, we hear me over my guy. He say he not go sleep where if he agree. They say me they give up. He say lie, not trying. That was where the problem started. That was where this. You say you get apartment where you get, is it bigger than your child, if I may say? Say, I don't want to talk about this topic. That's why, my lady, I will not, like I always say, I don't pity for people like this. I'm sorry. I know they pity. I know some people go say, hey, Bonnie, I am a very harsh person. Now, me see get sympathetic pass. But I give my sympathetic always to those children, not to the mother. It not concern me. Because when I say you made a mistake and you refuse to learn from other people's stupidity, I cannot pity for you. Are they mad? Wait till they worry me when I want pity for you. I don't do that. They offer you a place where you stay. You say no, you get fair house. Fair house, waiting now. House for waiting. When man don't they threaten you, say that child will be taken away from you. You say no, you're not trying. You're not trying. Beg. You say no. You see? Let's see, dear my people, when you are having problem or issue with the government, always accept their offer. Or not say that offer, they kind of. And before you reject any government offer, look for somebody when you don't get the idea, when you don't get the experience, when you don't get the trouble. Seek advice for that people. Seek advice. When you get problem with government, and you see, say, you really don't know, don't be ashamed. Especially when it comes to when you won't lose your pikin. Especially when it comes to when you won't lose your pikin. Don't be ashamed to ask anybody. Ask anybody. People when you know say they don't forget the issue. People when you know say they get idea. No reason I say they go laugh me say I get that problem. Because when they collect your pikin, you not go know when you go enter social media like this lady now. Yes, you not go know. You will be depressed. That pain of losing a child. I'm not sure say another pain day. It be like say even worse by giving birth, the pain of giving birth. Yes. I believe say go worse person. So, don't be ashamed to ask anybody. Even if say any social media presenter, you don't know, say, he gets idea of those things. Or anybody in your area, any friend, don't be ashamed. Always have question. Ask question. It will help you. Prevent you from making certain mistake. You cannot reverse back. Nobody knows it all. That make me tell you, say, ask. Don't be ashamed. Person when you laugh, you better pass who cry you. Did you understand? If maybe this lady, when the issue started, he called somebody where be say he called somebody where be say he go give her advice. She will not be in that mess. Maybe she will accept that for a year at the beginning, right? She will accept that for a year at the beginning. She for no say you cannot fight with the government. You are not bigger than the government. They are the boss of your children. Even my own pikin. After God that they follow, I they talk. After God, the government in any country you are, they are the next to your children. And they have the right to keep them or leave them for you. If you know, I talked last time, when you don't like it, you go back home. When it comes to issue like this, I'm sorry, I'm always harsh. Because I have to say the truth. So when you dey here, you dey watch me now. When you have situation like that, or any situation, a bad pikin, always ask questions. Don't go and say what. Don't go make mistake. Because nobody knows it. Man are not ashamed to ask questions because nobody knows it all. Even me, when I sit down, I get why they call when I get some certain problem. When I see say somebody don't pass through that stress, and you're not ashamed to take my phone and call that person and say, please, this is the situation I am. What can I do? I know say you don't fair pass through this problem. I know say you get idea of this problem. Tell me what I can do. I don't want to make the mistake. I don't want to lose my children or my child. The person go tell you. A word is enough for the wise. Word is enough for the wise. Let's continue.
Oh, when she they would lie. Me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby, oh. Say me they collect the baby from my hand.
And the baby father don't already give them proof. He give them proof. Give them everything. Only God knows the kind of proof where that guy give them. When made them collect that child away from this woman. And she also made herself mistake. Let's continue.
For hospital. Why? Because I say I not put in name.
Mommy ABS, you are welcome. Don't Aduro, you are welcome, sir.
He with his useless brother, whether they call Peter for Nigeria, Peter, then they were see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that man, that Peter, whether Peter be made, Peter Ozide, they go die by accident.
Peter Ozide, you don't popular for social media.
That man go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now see things, now see they go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They said they need to change my room. Now I ask, they say why? They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, they fear say make this man not call you draw this baby, make you not call kid the innocent baby.
Okay.
Because the way the man they push the baby.
Mommy Priceless, you are welcome, mommy. Good afternoon, ma. At Lolu, you are welcome. Taye Lolu, you are welcome.
If they drag. He carried baby for nurse. He pushed the baby away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say one check on whether I name day, whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say, since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now, another man name I put my son name. Because why? This man left me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. And that time.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How many times should I tell you, ladies? Sometimes, una dey feel say una smart. If she refused to put the father name of that baby in the baby's names, just because of what? The father abandoned me for 8 months. And what did that shit land her now? Oh my goodness. Ebony, you are so me. Mommy priceless, really? Why you not put Papa Ipiki name? Because of you not put the Papa name for the Piki. Maybe the thing where you they suffer so now, my lady. I be madam, wait till I'll call you. Because sometimes I know they want you all this kind of all those things they vex me. How dare you put your father name in your child's names? Now your papa born. Una no say me not they support rubbish. If I want to beat him, I say where I will still beat you. Chickena, I bomb my bae. How dare you? Just because he abandoned you for 8 months. You were already stupid. You were already out of your mind. So even carry belly for that man. You already made that mistake. And then you they use excuse say, he abandoned you for 8 months. Now he make you not put the papa name for the pikin. That is not wiseness. That is stupidness. You have no reason. Ladies, you have no reason to put your father name for your children. Not be your papa born them. The man marry you, he not marry you. Even you, if you marry officially, most women, they are happy to bear their husband name. Talk less of pikin. When you know say, get papa. If pikin get papa, you won't put your papa name. As waiting na guanu. As waiting na guanu. Egbom were yona. Oh, baby. Now, because you refuse to put the name of the man for a pikin, now he make they deal with it. Say they must collect that pikin. You were not smart enough. Tell me now, you put the papa name and the mess where you did. Now, which one is better? Tell me the truth. You put the papa name and you you did this mess now. Which one is better? Ladies, I beg you people, putting the father's name for your child makes that child to know I have a father. You people should stop denying those men their rights. I always tell you now, stop denying the men their rights. You already made mistake by giving birth to such man, and you don't need to punish your children over that. Now I be waiting at the talk. Now I be my last 2 videos. When you people will be using the children as a weapon to the father. Your children is not a weapon to the father. If you want to deal with the man, deal with her in another way. Not use your children as a weapon to their fathers. Those children, if they get sense, they'll tell you, say, I don't want that, mom. I never will. Then make some children go grow, they go get problem with their mothers. You'll be your papa born that pikin. You have no rights. Even if say the man abandoned you for 200 years, it is nice when your pikin gay papa name. It go make the pikin know, say, I came out from a family. I came out from a family. It's a pride to your child. Say the pikin not be bastard. Do you know what that is? Putting your father's name in that child name is like your child is a bastard. Do you know that? Oh, Salova. Oh, baby. Most women, they say they're smart. You are not smart. You are being stupid. Just because the man abandoned you for 8 months. Maybe one stupid nonsense reason for you to put the name of your father for that child name. You are stupid for doing that. You stupid for doing that. No reason in this life. I see the talker. No reason for this life for you to put your papa name for your pikin name when the father day life. Now me the talker, when you do such things like your child is a bastard. Your child is a bastard. Also, likewise to the women when not the one make papa call declare for pikin, can't sign for pikin, say na be the papa. Your pikin automatically a bastard. Do you know that? Yes. Yes. You like it or you leave it. Come and beat me like I always say I'm in my house. What a nonsense. Because say the papa leave you for 8 months. You carry the name. Why the man not go verse? Why the papa not go verse? Why the papa not go do anything by it to make sure that child is being taken away from you? Why? After starting to deny him of his rights. Because of waiting. He abandoned you for 8 months. You don't already spoil that child's life. For bringing that child to the world, to the wrong father. You don't spoil that pikin life. And you can't want spoil him again. You carry your papa name, you give him. Automatically, your pikin a bastard though. If you be say not be government tell you say, you know some women they don't say government not agree me I put the name of the papa for in name or to we marry or to the papa bring 130. Those people they are out of this. If you know say the reason why your pikin not get a papa name now because of government needs something from you or from the papa, you are not in this game at all. I'm not talk to you, Joanna. I'm not talk to you, Joanna. I am talking to those when they purposely they do it because of what the father did to the child, to her. Now the papa do you bad, not be the pikin do you bad. And most of una go they do sweaty things. Una go they think say na the pikin, na the papa una they do. Now not say na the pikin una they deal with. The child have nothing to do with your stupidity. The child have nothing to do with you making the mistake of having him or her for a wrong father. The child was not there. Now you call out to the world. You and the papa made the mistake already. And then you want to complicate the life of the pikin. You go to give her your papa name. Are you mad? That they do you. Your child is a bastard. With my mouth wide open. Your child is a bastard. Because pikin when you get papa, is supposed to be a papa name. Whether you marry the man, you not marry the man. Whether the man do you anything, punch you, if I break your head, is none of my problem. Your child to me is a bastard. Timmy, I thought I said I will not reply such people because people like you, now you go come for social media tomorrow, you can't cry. That's why you not concern me, concern you. The Lioness fans, you guys are the one I'm talking to. Listen. Don't watch what I am saying. Not pick the one where not sweet. You pick the one that you are going to keep in the back of your head. I know say some people not go like her, but I will tell you, if you are a woman, continue putting it there, continue. If you are a woman, you purposely not put the name of your baby father for your pikin. Your pikin to me is a bastard. If now you they do one. Unless maybe government say they need something from your pikin or not. They need something from the papa or something. That is one of the reasons why you not people the name and you go do in future to come. You people are not among it. Yes. You are not rubbishing yourself on social media, but you are in my platform, fooling yourself. What does that mean? What is the difference? Ebony Mami, no insult. Okay, I'm sorry. No insult. But sometimes they deserve insult. Love you guys. Let's continue. Mona go get sense. Because say you not put the papa pikin, he baby papa name. Now it cause this big problem, so.
France got a jet and say, then on work for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say I document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you going to behave all this kind of thing?
Maggie said that lady is not telling the full truth. Exactly. I know, but they bit. That made me they talk her from what she said. Now me they follow. So I go they pick the point which I am going to use to teach my people. I'm not teaching everybody. I'm teaching the Lioness fans. The Lioness fans, because Now only the lions can survive Europe life. And only the lions, now they get wisdom. Now only them, they listen to people and gain something from it. I want to have name on social media. I want to be popular. You sure? That should not be your problem. I better popular like this that do saga cost person. Abi?
You want me to take this baby from her? Now you go to tell me, say, France, not give her paper. Say, France, reject her. Say, France, ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France, say, me they don't give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you document. As they want to give you the document. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. They never do you. They can't say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. So make it not come for hospital again.
I want to do the microwave.
Me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. See if you come, if they see and they go call police for him. Really? He go come, they not go grease and make him enter. They go drive him, go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now if one they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out to it with the baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby say camera they did. I surprised say the oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me, they tell me say pray, say when me jam man, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell they say me not fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell they say me not go fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hands. So because I say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me they go carry me come this room. Now so the woman come take point and go up. He say when me look up, now me go look. I see say camera did there. Now say wow. So when I put me for where camera they sees. So why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room, they don't monitor me, they don't investigate me. They see say me not be that kind of person with the man tell they say I be.
I hope so now they listen. Like some people they tell me they block social media. My dear, they not feel because of me and you block social media because there we are learning from. If not this social media, me I for those me certain mistake. But I learned some lessons from people. They listen. You get where they go. Where be say, listen. Where?
Say, but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for a year. Even if say I get house I day way. Just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man don't want this baby. Wait see this man want in a document. Then don't see him. Say the man don't want the baby.
Secondly, ladies, I don't first see talker. If you no want give paper to any man, me I don't know what he did the paper, but he did special so much to you. If you know say you don't want give paper to any man, don't take a guy which don't have documents. Now it be the problem one that they get women. Some not all. If you not say you dey stingy to give paper to your baby father, don't you ever date a man like that. Don't date man. When be say you not get paper, when you know say they, you know what give man paper. It's not by force. Don't date men without documents. Because you know say you get and he go pay you when you give her heart to the man. Do you hear me? I'm tired of hearing na paper the man they can't find. You know say na paper the man they find when you carry belle for the man. Which excuse is that? Which excuse is that? You know say that man, if you born for her, he go get paper. Why having a child for that man? That is also not an excuse. Okay? It's not an excuse. I am tired of hearing na paper the man they find. They go and date a guy who have documents. If you know say your paper, you don't want to give her out to anybody. They did not force you. They did not beg you. They did not tell you to do. Then, date a guy with documents. Did you hear me? Because that is not an excuse. I'm sorry. Many ladies get this problem. That's why they're always in trouble every time. Now because their baby papa, they go report them to government, collect their children. Now most women, they last they turn to some or most. They always they last they turn to single mother. Just because I don't want to give the man paper. Hello? Bis du verrückt oder was? It's not by force to give man documents. And it's not by force to give woman documents. If you know say your paper they pay you, don't date a guy without documents. Keep your document to yourself. And stop bringing those children to the world and use and punish and waste their life and useless their life and make them feel pain for your own what? For your self-selfishness. Did you hear me? Paper na nothing. Now person give you. They're not stingy with her. If they're stingy with her, you know get her. Then don't be stingy with it. And if you think say you know if you give, then don't date a guy without no document. And even if say you want date guy where you get document, go and take protection. Did you hear me? If you know say you no want give that guy paper, go and take protection. Have your fun as you like. Jump as you like. Bam, bam. Enjoy yourself. If I don't put your leg for like this, if you like, climb up, do the style. PK not go enter. Go and take protection. Then they see the one of 3 years. And yes, my sister tell me say they see the one of 1 year. And they see the one of 5 years. Go and take protection to avoid your stupidity. Sometimes I don't like those words. I don't want to give the man document. Now because of document, I use my God beg you. If you know say that because of document, you shouldn't have just bring the child to the world. Because me and you know say the moment the pikin don't date the world, now document be the next. The guy go look for way to make sure say he use through that pikin take get stay for the country. If now you call, you know do am. If now you who call, would you try and use through that child to have documents? Then who is fooling who? Who the thing they affect now? Eh? If I may ask you, who the thing they affect? It's affecting you. The man don't forget pikin as you talk and who go hear out from your mouth. The man don't forget pikin. Now so you talk. You say the man don't forget pikin for somewhere else. He ex-wife leave her. Not be so you talk her. Oh, okay. You think say the house where ex-wife no fit stay. Now you won't come stay there. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. I don't want to hear that. Now document they fair. What do you think? When the man don't see possibility to get paper, they make a letter and go. You not trying. If not you, you're trying. You not trying. So be wise. Because of document now, see the mess you are. See how you mess up yourself. Just because you want to eat your cake and have it. I'm not smart today, oh. And I don't care, maybe people hate me. But the truth have to be told. If you like, hang yourself. before. Please go find out the true story before judging both of the wrong. My dear, not to say the guy not go. You know the yellow for the woman, man. I use my girl beg you. People should not be coming here. You the yellow for the woman, man. Say na paper the guy they fine. My goodness. Now in math I tell they judge her now. Man, I know they turn something. You they hear from the horse's mouth. I know you understand do that sometimes. So hey, oh baby.
Because okay, maybe still go rent one room and one room and parlor for me. Send, but me no go pay. I no go they pay now. There go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go still they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything could be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day. Pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come without you know go able take permission for me. Go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I got this, I know they go to the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know, say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake up, mate, go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. Make them go carry.
They even offer her an apartment. When you go stay with the pikin, she said she not trying. Say your house in they pay her maths. You see the mistake some of us do make because we know they ask question. He say he not trying. Say they pay so a math for house. For that reason, he not trying. All right. What is the repercussion now? The government, let me they tell now, say government always give chances before they take your pikin. They don't just take your children like that. They don't just take your child like that. They always they give you chance. They offer you some possibility. You understand? They will give you possibility. Things they can use to help you. They no fit take your pikin away without not offering you second chance or something. But sometimes some of us we think we are smart. He's saying they pay how much for house. For that reason. You understand? You say you not go come out. You stayed here. You say you they come back house. Oh yeah. Yeah. So you cannot fight the government. I they talk them every day. I they talk her every time. I they repeat her. But as long as una say, una no go get sense. When you make mistake, I'll come and beat you here. And I will use your stupidity as a lesson to my lioness. To the lioness fans. I use your stupidity. Can't teach them. Because me myself don't carry my shame at this grade called the social media. Now those social media I tell now say I beat my picky, I head up in court. That one not should not take get sense. No. You know this should not take get sense. I tell now say I work with the government for me to be able to have my peace now. No, una say una no one get sense. Una no one left from my own stupidity. No problem. When they add Joanna, when they come join me, welcome to my world. And then I go, they see they use una. Say they give sense to the ones who never happen to. We are here. When I tell una say, after I don't come back from court, they sent me to a school where I can learn how to take care of my children without not beating them. No, not go see use and get sense. I was not bold enough to tell them no. Because before I know, my pikin go vec. Don't go say vec. They'll take her. I never said no. Because I listened to the people who was advising me. You can't fight the government. My God tell me, you cannot fight my people. You have to work with them. And I followed it. When I say work with them, no, that is a joke. I go school when they say they take care of people. When you say they train pikin without you not go they beat the pikin. Me, I for trying and tell they say I know they go. Me, they see what I'll see again. No, now to say I dey use my own stupidity they teach you now for this place. Una know the year word. Then una see say now sense una get. Abi, oh, it's all right. I dey here.
We don't want again. I don't want their heart again. I don't want again.
It's too late, my dear. It's too late.
I said, come out for hospital. They can't warn me. They said they go only leave me go for one condition, gay. Say that condition. Then no one see this man close to my baby. If they see him close to my baby, they will collect the baby from my hand.
Oh, baby. Now this will be the part I love, he said. Oh, God. Yeah, we girl give a favorite wine. Oh, what did you mean? Just a mother woman. Ieti ya pietua. Make it. Name your boy a pietua. They gave her another condition, the second chance. Mona they listen, gradually be listening and make me say, they gave her second chance. The first chance, make go for a year, say not trying. Then the second chance, they told her the baby father is not allowed to come to the house. This one at a women will be say, love won't kill Nabi. This one at a women will be say, you go to say the government are stupid. When they tell us something now, to say maybe they don't know what they are saying. This one is for you guys. And I dear, now you are for bitter and we are too bitter. Because at this social media, other people they breed their stupidity. This guy person go see my video, go screw person. I have done videos several times, countless times about this same issue. When you and your man they fight, is a reason for the government to take your children. If man get bad record and the government told you we don't need that man around the children, stay away from that man to save your children. To save your children. No, some of us no. Love not go let us sit high road. Mother keep on putting red dead. You think I send? I must deliver my message whether you like her or you leave her. They go refuse. My guys, put love and like to remove that red dead out of there, please. Put love and like to remove the red dead, please. I beg you people. So, on a go son and no get sense. You they fight for the president of the Peking. You go no say your Peking, your baby father have bad record. You don't say he don't deal with many things. You know say record for this country it doesn't make sense. They go even tell you say stay away from there. You go say no. Because of love, I be because of prettiness, I be because of waiting. The government, when the government tell you, say this thing, when you not do one like this, you go get this result. They are not joking. They are not joking. They are not joking. I dey tell people, say the government can make you choose between your baby father and your children. So women don't believe me. The government can make you choose between your children and your husband. They don't believe me. They can make you choose between them. It has happened several times. I don't see. They go tell you. Either you take it or you wait for the result of your foolishness.
It's okay. I don't hear. Really? I can't take their word because I don't want to say they collect this baby for my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just they see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say I allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He could go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He could go because government don't want me to say. If they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say Ask Percy, they use good, they kill, save. For this life, you know.
You were not good. You were being stupid. You were not good. You were being stupid. Okay? There is difference between being good and being stupid. Because when it comes to my children, I don't need to be good to anybody, not even to their father. And they tell my guy, I'll tell her and say, when children and you stand, I take my kids first. When there is anything that will make me lose my children, and they say, you, because of you, I'll lose my children, I'll kick your fucking ass. My children come first. Therefore, that reason, behave well. Nobody go make me choose. You don't need to ask me, say, choose your pikin and your husband. I choose my children. Because I know the pain I felt during the giving birth. I know I been a woman. I know the pain now. I've been at the Nemos. It's not funny. You don't expect me. You don't need to tell me, say, choose between your husband and the children. I will not try it. My children come first. You were not being nice. You were being stupid.
Good, say me you, they do good, oh. It's not good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use to kill myself. See now. I use to suffer innocent baby. Small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That's say he pressing my bell. He, as me not to answer her, he can't begin to stop all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. And they go, you say, why woman they knock my door. Now me call go put door for her. Now go they tell me say, he get that man, he came out told my wake he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bed. Say when me ask the man why the man they press it bed. Really? I could come out. Man come meet and say, why you go they press my labor? Bed. No, they disturb my labor. Again. Why could they beg me? Say why you see baby. Let me allow him see baby. Hell. See me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man can't go. Over since then, this man not really leave my house again. I don't know see this street, you don't get where to stay. Anyway, let's they post the picture. They do like say life they work for her. He not get house. He not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, he not get anything. Nothing get. As for Nigeria, he not get.
The man press neighbor bell. My people, the Lioness fans, this question is to you people. If such man ring your bell, what will you do? May I see the smartest person there? If such man, when they don't tell you, say, if he come close to that pikin, they go take her away from you. And he can't ring your bell. He go ring neighbor bell. And the neighbor can't tell you, say, they read your bell, they disturb. What will you do as a woman? I need you people answer before I will give my own answer. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? Let me see comments.
Nothing. She he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your present, you go fight. Shoe where be say Chris person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He not agree. See that day where the matter happen.
I see a comment. You are not making sense, madam. It's obvious you don't love your husband. Children are for both parents, so choose your husband probably. Me. It's my opinion, I tell you so. I love my husband. But I love my children more. Now some mothers be. Don't be angry. Now for mothers, I believe almost some mothers are like that. Some mothers, they will like bolao. They like some mothers, they will be say, they like the man based on saying they knock their way for bed. They go even love the man self. For sure the woman go put the man go put for the children put for one corner. They don't care. What about that man can break your head, break your heart, deal with you? What will you do? It doesn't mean say I don't love my husband, but I'm trying to let you know how everybody love is in my heart. My children are my offspring. Okay? And they come first in everything. I cannot help you when you don't understand that. Okay? When it comes to anything, I will choose God first before my children. Then followed by my mother. Everybody get who they love pass for their life. My God, my children, followed by my husband, and my mother, and then followed by my husband. Did you hear me? It not me say I not love everybody. But I will tell you, they say choose. I know where to go first. First, second, third, I know. And for all mothers, I believe, say most all mothers, I believe, say they will choose their children first. Not be only me. When you cannot understand the feelings of a mother like that, I'm sorry, I cannot help you.
I'm not talk bad. Now he carry a friend come my house, even when he knows say government bad and say make you know they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry friends come, he call the shot for my back calling. Now me take on me.
Okay. He allowed the man come house. Oma say he not rich. She allowed the man come house. He not still rich. Then you will see there. The man they pack friends they come. And you not quick. As he try and force, he's supposed to throw a window. In this thing, what do you call her? He load. Who fear the window for? Now me they tell you. When you know say you they keep that man for her secretly because you want me to see your children. Okay, you do that one, all right. If not me, I'm not going to try in the first place. Now my man that they tell you, everybody gets your opinion. I'm not trying. Then you call the park friend. Cause from window throw away you and your friend. Because the life of my child is at stake. Because if I get any problem, you know they join me, can't cry. You cannot take the pain away from me. Nobody will carry that pain away from me. For that reason, I have the right to throw you and your friend out of my apartment. Yes. Because, like I talk on yours now, when it comes to my children, I can do anything. You see it? When it comes to my kids, I can do anything. Yeah. If I wear your shoe, lady, I'll from window throw your friend out of my apartment. Because you already don't know. Say they tell me, say, if you even near this house, they'll take my pikin away from you. I secretly carry you enter inside the house, hide you there. You say no. You want draw my leg come out. You want me to call collect my pikin from my hand. You carry your friend, not rich. You carry your friend, Costi Joanna. I'll throw you and your friend out of my house. Because you not care about that pikin. You not care say government could take that pikin. And you lady, you supposed to already know say he behaving like that. He doesn't care whether that pikin go with the government or he did not go with the government. And he don't even care. Say if pikin dey with government, Agboemaya, they not they prosper there. Say if pikin dey with mama, now they get better life pass. He did not care. He prefer make the pikin even go government self. You don't even, you saw the red flag already. You were seeing the red flag. You were seeing the red flag. You didn't see the red flag, but you refuse to see it. to have sense with those red flags. Not be to you. I am saying this, and I believe you that is watching me is learning from this. Let me tell you now. They use people's stupidity to come and teach the lioness fans. That is my job here in social media. That is my duty here in social media. I cannot help you if you don't understand. maybe because you maybe you were afraid to be alone, or you were thinking this one a man will be say he don't already tell you several times say he go make sure say that pikin go government. A sense you know still get wise, you know wise, and you say me I call pity for you. The lioness once knows me. I don't take my pities to the mothers. I take my pity to the kids. I be like government. I don't care about you both. Too often I don't care about the man or the woman. Because I already destroyed those children's life by bringing them to the world and start misbehaving like an I don't know tell corner. People will not get sense. When I don't put those children inside already, then why will I have to come and pity for the two adults who be say they're supposed to get sense and they don't want to get sense? Then you're customer I call pity for you. I will not hear that. You're supposed to pity for yourself at the beginning and choose your children over everything. This I cannot help you. I cannot. I cannot help you. Red flag from day one of their relationship. Mommy Rosemary, exactly. Day one of the relationship, it was red flag. It was red flag. You understand? It was red flag. But he refused to see. She refused to see it. He not agree once here. Because another thing there ahead, she was thinking of another thing. Which she not, for this story when she they talk, the truth, if the guy come out, you go, yes, say there are more things behind this, because without proof, without no big reason, government not fit take that pikin away from the mother without no good reason, without no good proof when that man go submit to the government. And which we don't know yet until the guy go carry himself come out, come talk him. That's the only way we will know. We not go know. Do you know that? We not go know. We not gonna know. So you carry the they bring friends. All right, let's regard the laba. Okay.
You know, say government banned you, and maybe government just tell my labels, and maybe they watch me, they monitor me. Whether they go see you around this my house. Not they make noise for my back.
You get sense there, oh. She was having a little bit sense there. He said, you don't know whether government they look at, whether the government whether the neighbor they use the neighbor they monitor her or something. She gets sense there, but she was not wise enough. She gets sense. She used get sense to talk that thing, but she didn't use the same sense to throw that guy from the window out of his house. No, she not gonna get that sense. She was having sense to think that thing, but she was not having the sense to throw the guy out from the window. She was not. Because of some reasons where be say she never want to tell us. She never tell us the reason why he bring that guy into her house. Because first when they don't tell you say if the man come the house, they go take your pikin. You never tell us the reason why you bring that man, you allow that man enter house at the beginning. You not really tell us. And I would like to know. Okay? I would love to know, okay?
Not they disturb my neighbor. And your friends, where you should they carry the call. You know say government bans you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may you know make God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when me say I like this man to call the see baby. Common food, you know fit buy. Pampers not fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers. I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my own baby. Still buy food. Nothing anything. He get one day. Where the baby want go take gesture. And me don't already pay my house rent. House rent, they tell me to get belly, say I don't feel work. And me, I know the work, and my so much don't finish. So government not gonna pay me again. I don't feel pay my house rent. I go get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the family want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you another man. For send me that money. When me take pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby want go, my own baby want go take vaccine. And the vaccine now 100 euro. And he never did for my hospital card. So,
Mommy, Trinity, no verse for me.
100 euro. I also buy the medicine when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything comes almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now only me one. Buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I don't do bad thing. Now I tell this man say, what is the need? Say you just there. I'm not to waste you the two.
Who is this? Hello. I'm fine. Good evening. Yeah, I'm on live video. All right, I call you later. It's no problem. All right, thank you so much. All right, sir. Bye.
Video. Now me go see the video, baby. Now me go see who they pay my rent. So, when you go work, not be to just go hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6, go hotel in the morning. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there, you go drink, you go smoke. And if everybody for there will begin to cheer you because
she fed us say the man na this, na trafficker, na drug dealer, na this and that. Those things never reach you to even run. Take that child away from such man. What is good about that man? That was another red flag. But she not see her. She not see her. She not see her. Women see the red flag. He not see her. You see how this vaccine, he pay for this, he pay for that, he pay us rent, he do that. I not really, you see, say I'm not talking about her. Why? Because I really don't know the law in France. If, as we say, my sister Delia here, and she for tell me really, I really don't know. For Germany, where you are not working, just let her take care of your bills. When you know they work for Germany, the government pay to your water, to your TV, the government pay for it. I don't know where on for they go, they pay this by on herself while you are not working. Even if you say you they collect, maybe you don't work before and you call the girl bad loose eyes. I don't know how they call herself. Then they pay 65% of your salary where be say before you can't stop work or lose your job. The social will complete the money for you when it's not enough. I don't really understand how they be for France. Now I make her feel no, let me talk anything. Then they're not gonna beat me. So for the vaccine, yeah, everything about children is free of charge. I don't know the one of money, when should they talk about, because here in Germany is different. Okay?
All of them don't let me know, say, babe, as this country happen to you, you know, say, we not go talk to the man. The man, they like to fight, well. If they like to beat people, they like to threaten people life, well. So, I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now, what did me ask her? How let me want to go till they do all those things? It's better say, may you just pay for your home. Just go your house. Like this man.